because this, when I was realizing this is brown and this is a little brown. So I think we'll be getting Toothy. And over here is my Pokemon collection of plushes. But yeah. And here's Snorlax right there.
You win.
Inside the
He ordered it with his birthday money.
Yeah. And we're going to just start cutting it open. And let's get the big old Snorlax out of here.
Oh, that one's a big one.
Yeah, it's big. It's almost bigger than Charizard.
Yeah, bigger than Charizard. Dinosaur.
Here's a little berry. Okay, so it says right here, Snooze, Action, Snorlax. It says Rumbling and Sounds, Pokemon. It says Feed 4 reactions, and look, this berry I guess has a little sensor, and the little sensor can make it like make noises. So we're just gonna start opening Snorlax, but first this cut. I don't want to cut him, so that's right there. Well, I'm gonna. Is it good?
Got it? You need help?
I think I got it. I think. Do we have to trim a little bit? Let's go first. I think we do.
You want me to cut it for you? Ooh, I don't know. Wait.
Maybe? I think we got it.
Turn it around?
Yeah. Should we open it on the bottom?
Let's see. Okay.
It's open right there.
Hold it open like that.
Yep.
Hold it.
Yep. We got it, I think. I think we got it.
Here you go.
Yep, we got it. Okay, Snorlax is out of his box right here. I think.
There's a bunch of them on there?
There's only on his feet, but they're good. That's good right there. Snip. We got one foot, so we do the other. Oh, I didn't even do the other. Oops. I missed it. Right there. There we go. Snorlax completely out. He's right there.
Pull out that thing.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Says cold. Okay.
That thing was in the so it doesn't make the sounds. Now he makes the sound when you pull that thing out.
Okay. Now. Oops.
That's cool.
Snorlax is going to sleep on the box.
Good old Snorlax.
He's so heavy, he's pushing the box. That's crazy. Okay. And there's 20 reactions he makes, 20 sounds.
Oh, wow, that's pretty good.
Oh, Snorlax. Hang out with your buddies over here. Snorlax. There you go. And I want you to cut this open. If you realize we have a new couch. Our other couch is right behind it. But yeah, we still have it.
We got our
new one. Yep.
more room.
Yep. Everyone's got it. Yep. There we go. Got it. That's a little berry. Berry right here. I'll show you.
Oh yeah, cool.
When the Pokemon get hurt, this right here, they eat it, then it kills them.
Ah.
So,
Snorlax.
and I think that's it. And here's the instruction manual. I'm gonna take that out just in case. Okay.
Can throw that here. I'll take it.
Yep. And well, here's the instruction manual, and that's it. So we got Snorlax out here. Okay. So we're gonna open open this while Snorlax meets his new buddies.
Yeah, meet his new buddy.
Charizard's way up there. As you can see, he's on
Charizard, the dragon.
Yep.
From we liked him because he came out in Detective Pikachu movie.
Yep. Yep. Wow.
Put on good?
Yep. It sounds real good. They didn't want anyone to get 2 feet, that's for sure.
No.
Look, it's right there.
Hold it. Alright, quicker.
Yeah. Wow. That's weird. It doesn't want to let me open 2 feet.
It's alright. You got it.
Okay. Put that right there. Then activate. Oh, Triceratops again. What's he doing? Hey, Triceratops, dude. Look, it's a Triceratops again. But this is not it. It's just, this is like the first, this is like the common character. A common character. That's why I have 2 of them. Somehow. Yep. Yep. Oh, we got it.
Whoa.
Okay. There it is. I can't even see what kind of head it is. I can't even see it. It's brown though. Oh, there it is.
Wow.
You can hardly see its little tooth.
Looks like a saber tooth.
Yep. 2 packs, 3 packs actually. These are a little bit tiny.
Yeah, nothing like the big eggs, right?
See, they're like little bit miniature sized. Hello. Okay. Got an idea. It's gonna pop out, I think.
Nope.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, you gotta pull it pretty hard.
What?
Oh, good slimy.
Yeah. I felt the slime in my finger.
It's slime.
Yeah, lots of slime. And
Slime.
I feel. Oh, there it is. Saber-tooth body.
Yeah, it's his body?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
And look, here's the sticker. Whoa. Look at it. He's like. He's like, I want some meat. Until.
Oh, yeah.
See, he wants that meat. He ate it.
Saber tooth, like Diego
Yeah, from Ice Age.
from Ice Age.
Okay. Got that. Wow. It's very slimy. Oh my gosh. Slimier than ever. But like the mini ones are more smaller, which are more easier.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Yeah. That's why they're minis. Like mini ones. Okay. I didn't even need to take the whole thing out, actually.
Nope.
And there's nothing left in there. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go on stretchy. Right there. Stretchy snow. Right there. There we go. Got
Got
that open. Yeah, that was easy. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh wow. What? It's out. Okay, it's out. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Thing. Whoa. Okay. Whoa, look at this. It's like scratches on him.
Nice.
Just like from the Ice Age, like maybe from the bully dinosaurs or Mammosaur. Anything that was trying to attack him, maybe it scratched him. But that's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like that. That. It'll search. if you know, my Triceratops is actually home at my other house. There we go. Oh my gosh, it is so slimy, so sticky, so sticky, so very sticky. Look, okay. There's still more parts in there.
More?
Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Look. Oh, that's a tiny tail.
No, the tail?
That's the tail. It's tiny. Very tiny. There's one more part in there, I think. Yeah, there's two, I think. Two more other parts in there. Oh, wow. I think. No, it's just another. Oh, it's a foot. It's like a foot. So this must be the back foot, and this must be another back foot, maybe? Or it's just a back foot. No, it's the same side. I think that's a front foot. This might be the front foot. I don't know. I don't really know. But I think this one's like the front foot. And this is the front foot. This is the back foot. Okay. One more left. This is very easy.
Yeah, easy one.
Yeah. I've already got almost all the parts except the head. The head's right there. Wow. See? I do quicker on this one because it's more tinier. Ah! Oh, it's scary. Oh, good. Okay. I'm going to get the Smasher Sword. The Smasher Sword's going to open this thing. Okay, here it comes. Smasher Sword is here. It's from series 3. Okay. Each thing.
Poops them out.
Sorry. There. That's it. Thank you. Yeah. And we got a little Triceratops.
Yeah, that's cool. Good one. Alright, put this. Oh, you still gotta get the head.
Mm-hmm.
Get the head, but. You get that? I'm gonna get it.
I think I got it.
Sure?
Yep.
Alright. Here you go. Go to the top.
Whoa.
Yes. There you go. Good job.
Whoa. It's right there. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's going to come out. Whoa. It's just slid all over here. Wow.
Real slimy.
Super slimy.
Like a slimy ice.
Yeah. Ooh. 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 Okay, now let's see. Well, dissect the ice. I see. You can see from the Jurassic period, it has been. Well, his head has been. Well, it's been cold under there. Look at that right there. You can see real bad right there.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
He's fossilized.
My head's fossilized too. My finger actually. Oh, it's right here. There it is. Wow, it's right there. With the ears and everything. We'll put this.
Oh man, now the fun part, we get to put them together.
Yep. Yeah. Slimy.
All right.
Yeah. It's
All
right.
right, let's do that.
We know the head goes right there. I don't know where the other arms go, so we'll do it like this. There.
Good old Toothy.
Yeah, this is your instruction manual. I don't know where the foot's go. Like, the foot's, who knows where they go. There. Or here's the foot. Okay. Here it is. The instruction manual, how to build Toothy. So, step 1, we put his little toe right, pop, right there. Right. Yeah. Step 2, we need to get his scarred leg. Then we put it right there. And you get a big blue splat leg with a little bun-aid right there. There it is. Oh, that's slime right there. There it is. Easy. Very easy. Okay. It's like so good, you know. We popped it in, and now we get. There we go. Now it's in there. Now we need to get pop. There it is. Toothy.
Got him.
Yeah. Toothy right there.
There you go. So you got Toothy.
And little Triceratops.
Little Triceratops.
Let me show you this. It's real cool though.
Like that. Looks like Diego. One of my favorite Ice Age characters was Diego, but looks like him. Pretty cool.
I have no idea where my sticker book went. I had my other 2 stickers in here.
Oh, it's okay.
But we'll do that maybe.
Find it later.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Yeah.
So you got Snorlax today.
And a tooth.
And good old Toothy. From the Smashers collection, which looks like Diego, the saber-tooth tiger. And a Triceratops.
Right.
All right, Ethan.
Yep. So
That was cool.
that'll be it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and everyone's going to say goodbye to you.
Goodbye to everybody.
Zord. And here goes Snorlax. He's going
Snorlax.
to
Snorlax. Psyduck. And Detective Pikachu, our favorite. Regular Pikachu. All right. Good job, buddy.
Well, yeah. We'll see you on our next video, maybe on the next week.
Maybe in a couple of weeks, do another video.
The next 2 weeks.
Next 2 weeks. Video number, another one.
Yeah.
Y'all have a blessed day.
Bye.
Bye. Go Raiders.
Yeah. Right there. Oh, yeah.